Hey, hi all. I hear a train, so you're going to hear a toot, 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 something like that. So, there we go. Get used to the train. It is kind of look proper here, huh? So, today's interesting situation. Thank you. Should put one of my horns out there and do the same, but anyway, I gotta talk about Tesla's disruptive discharge transformer. See cover photo of what I used to have until the Canadian government or Alexander Sharashevsky of Owl Industries or George Lissake stole it. Canadian government apparently burned a lot of stuff. See newspaper article. Ministry secretly builds PCB site in Surrey. Okay. I have the newspaper clippings. Inventor goes to ground. But I uploaded that sometime. I got all the pictures and stuff of the newspaper article, so since they destroyed it or hit it or whatever, I'm gonna rebuild, and I need insulators. 2 feet long. They can be lightning arrestor insulators, which work pretty good, okay? As well as vintage wire from 1891 time frame, which could be available through a lot of different areas. Something old piece of stuff, they can unravel it. Why not modern? Well, because there's issues with modern. Okay, I used to be able to get it in Vancouver at North Star Salvage. Maybe I can find it at Petaluma Scrap. But there is issues that Tom Bearden talks about on older wire, electron gas, crystallization processes, dielectrics, as well as a good friend of mine, another scientist friend of mine, Dr. Koons, Robert Koons, who's a physicist, and put together a video on me a while ago and explains what's going on here with the old stuff. Okay? Well, I'll put the link into Dr. Robert Koons in the description, and you can watch what he says. I don't know where to find the Tom Bearden information, but it's available somewhere. So that's something I want to mention. If you have anything like that laying around, let me know. Got a friend back east who might have. It's gauges or 8 gauge or 10 gauge. Okay, bare, old copper wire. And number 21 gauge high voltage wire, if you know of anything like that laying around. That'd be cool. Otherwise, I'll be searching Petaluma or asking for it. And see the cover photo that I put onto this video, and it shows exactly what it looks like being demonstrated for the U.S. government people, okay? Or Los Alamos or whoever. So I'm going to end that video just saying I'm looking for that kind of stuff. Those kind of frequencies and distribution of energy from that unit are quite amazing. So I don't want to change anything, that's the way I am. The old stuff works just great. Okay, thank you. Catch you guys later. Alright, talk.